Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a new travel guide on Wanderlog. First, open the Wanderlog application on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one. Once you're signed in, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the main menu. Here, look for the guide option and tap on it. On the guide page, you'll see a Write a Travel Guide button. Tap on that to get started. You'll then be prompted to enter the name of the place you would like to create a travel guide for. Type in the location and then tap on the Create Guide button. This will take you to the guide editor where you can start customizing your new travel guide. You can add details about the destination, include photos, write descriptions, and organize the content however you like. Wanderlog makes it easy to create comprehensive, visually appealing travel guides that you can share with others. Once you're done creating the guide, you can publish it on the Wanderlog platform for others to discover and use. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.